Hi guys, I hope you've all had a good weekend, and well done to all those of you who sent over their work from all three classes, Tubman, Mandela and Parks. Okay, so for this session you're going to need your pencil, paper, and again to access the worksheet from the grade website. Okay, so your learning intention for today is to be able to understand line of symmetry and complete simple symmetric figures. So you might need a ruler with it. Okay, so here's your starter. What I want you to do is pause the video for a bit and I want you to complete the starter. We did work on time for the past few weeks prior to this, so you should be confident in this hopefully. If not, try to attempt it to the best of your ability. So what is line of symmetry? The line of symmetry shown here in black is the imaginary line where you could fold the image and have both halves match exactly. Okay, so if you look at all those examples at the bottom, if you were to fold those where the black dotted line goes down, both sides will overlap each other. That's called line of symmetry, and both sides fall flat on each other perfectly. Vertical lines of symmetry. When lines of symmetry are not vertical on the page, turn them around so that they are. Lines of symmetry. Equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. So here are some more examples of lines of symmetry. So you've got A and E and the rest. Okay, lines of symmetry on a square. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. So what you could do is cut a square out and try to draw the exact lines of symmetry and fold your square where each line of symmetry is to see if it fits on top of each other, folds on top of each other perfectly or not. So pause the video and have a go at attempting this. Okay, now hold it up vertically. Where possible, hold any symmetrical shape up vertically in front of your face with the line of symmetry also vertical in line with your nose. One way to draw a shape is to match the corners of the shape. So you could match this by using a ruler or putting a ruler across each corner, so you're able to draw it in the exact same place. And you also have to look at how many squares it's gone in past the line, symmetry line. So as you can see, this one from the line of symmetry, that corner starts on the end of the second square. So that's where you have to start your corner of it. And as you can see, this corner starts on the end of the third square. And this one is the end of the first square. A line of symmetry are not vertical on the page. Turn them around so that they are. So we start with the corners. Okay, now what I want you to do is watch this video on lines of symmetry. It will give you further explanations on how we draw some shapes and a bit more on a line of symmetry. Once you have watched this, you are then able to move on to completing the task for today. Okay, so your task for today is on the website under the Year 4 Math section. It's dated 29/06. You choose either challenge 1 or challenge 2. You will need a ruler to ensure your shapes all your drawings are drawn perfectly, and using the ruler will help you, you know, with the edges, making sure the corners are straight, and the ruler will help you line it up on your piece of paper. So good luck, guys. Do send over any work that you do, and again, well done to all those of you who've been doing your work and, you know, taking your time every day to send it in and working really hard. Well done to all of you guys.